So it's hello again from Songkhla province. Right now we're in something called Hat Yai City Municipal Park. It's so huge that I don't think we're going to see the whole thing today, but you can probably see some of it. I think you can probably see the lake behind me. The interweb googly thingy has about 580 reviews of the park, but none of them seems to want to tell me just how big it is, so we'll just settle for huge. The entrance is down the bottom there, somewhere over there. We came in and around the lake. And there's all kinds of windy roads that go up into the hills behind you. And we'll cover some of them, but not all of them. But we'll see lots of interesting places, I think. So let's have a quick look at this area around the lake from upstairs, and then we'll move on and see what else we can find. Okay, so we're about halfway up the mountain now. We'll have a quick look out over Hat Yai. Great sprawling place that it is. Somewhere out there on a clear day you'd be able to see the sea. I guess sort of round about now you should be able to see the sea. But the main attraction here is behind me. So we'll just swing around. And you can see there's a large Guan Yin Statue, along with her two attendants who are known as the Golden Youth and the Jade Maiden. I guess that one would be the Jade Maiden. And that one over there would be the Golden Youth. And right at the back there you can see a large gold Buddha, which is where we're going to head to next. And we also have what's known as the Dragon's Mouth. And I believe we're supposed to walk up there and see what's up there. I must admit I've never done that. I have no idea what's up there. Let's see if we can go up there. Aha, looks like big fat Buddha. And we also have this guy. Well, I have no idea who he is, but if I can find out, I'll add some text at the top. I think this guy's in need of a bit of care and attention. Okay, let's head back to Bert and take a look at some aerial views while I'm heading back. Well, we're pretty much at the highest point on the mountain now. I think the only thing left up the top there is telecom towers. And of course there has to be a golden Buddha statue. But people also come here for the view, which we can see over here. If you're feeling really energetic, you can walk up from the Guan Yin Statue down there. But that seems like a lot of hard work. Unfortunately, it's really hazy today. It's quite hot and there's a fair bit of sunshine, but the air is really not clear. And if you don't have your own transportation at all, there is actually a cable car. I must admit I've never used it. So while I wander back to Bert, let's have a few upstairs views and then we can wrap this one up. Right, we're pretty much done with Hat Yai Municipal Park now. We've seen all the important bits, so don't forget to check back soon. We haven't finished with Songkhla province yet, not by a long way. And don't forget to subscribe, otherwise you might miss a video or three. So it's goodbye from Bert and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.